Well, for better or worse, today we decided to clean the coconut trees. Got tons of coconuts, but God, my eyes are killing me from all the junk. There's like ants and everything that live up there. I got bites, cuts, scratches, the whole 9 yards. It's not one of my favorite jobs, but it had to be done. So the coconut trees are now cleaned out. Right? And we ended up with a pile of coconuts. So the next stage is to turn these into coconut water, and there's the pile that has grown substantially too. So next, making coconut water. Okay, so all those coconuts yielded 5 gallons of coconut water, and there's still more out there, but yeah, we ran out of containers, and the neighbors will take them. I'm sure they'll put them to good use too. So trees are cleaned, 5 gallons of coconut water, and even extras. And I'm dead. Well, my eye is still, it'll be better tomorrow, but it's still not great. But it was good enough so that I couldn't go out and do much this afternoon, but I went, and what you're going to see next is there's 4 sailboats out in the harbor, so I took the drone out and I got them a little bit more that I can use for other things. So overall, it kind of was a good day, but I didn't get done what I would hope to get done because of the coconut tree issues, blah blah, but whatever. It got done. It was a good day. Tomorrow will be another good day.